Welcome inside a modern winery, where the ancient art of winemaking meets cutting-edge precision. It all begins in the
Advanced harvesters ensure every berry is picked at peak ripeness, preserving the essence that will become world-class wine.
From field to facility, the journey is swift. Within hours, these Cabernet Sauvignon, Chardonnay, Pinot Noir
Step through the gates of innovation, where tons of grapes enter a symphony of machinery designed for purity and efficiency.
First, automated sorters inspect each grape, using light and cameras to select only the finest, discarding any imperfections in real time.
Stemmers gently remove twigs and leaves, ensuring nothing but pure fruit advances. A crucial step for flawless flavor.
Pneumatic presses apply just enough gentle force to extract the juice, separating it from the pomace.
Now, in the heart of the winery, we enter the fermentation hall, where science turns sugar into magic.
Specially cultured yeast is introduced, awakening the must and beginning the alchemy of converting sugars to alcohol.
For hours, the mixture ferments under precise control. Bubbles of carbon dioxide signal the yeast's tireless work.
In red wine production, pump-overs gently extract color and structure, infusing the wine with its signature boldness. Experts oversee every variable from the control room, using data to guide the process toward perfection. White wines like Chardonnay ferment skin-free, allowing crisp, bright notes to shine through in cooler conditions. Rosé achieves its blush through controlled skin maceration, balancing delicacy and vibrancy. For sparkling varieties, a second fermentation captures effervescence, setting the stage for celebration in every bottle. As fermentation completes, the young wine rests, its character now etched in alcohol and subtle complexity.
Next, clarification removes haze. Centrifuges harness G-forces to purify without harsh chemicals.
advanced filtration polishes the wine, ensuring a velvety mouthfeel and brilliant clarity.
Cracking transfers the wine, shedding heavy sediments for a lighter, more refined profile.
Binding agents gently clarify further, binding impurities that could cloud the final pour.
Cold stabilization prevents future crystals, ensuring your bottle stays pristine. Now pristine, the wine awaits aging, its journey from raw to refined nearly complete.
Deep in the barrel cellar, aging begins, where time and wood weave layers of depth.
Young wine fills hand-selected oak barrels, each chosen for its toast level and origin.
Smart systems maintain ideal microclimates, nurturing the wine through months of evolution.
Over 6 to 18 months, tannins soften and vanilla oak notes infuse, transforming the wine.
Seasoned tasters evaluate progress, deciding when the wine has reached harmonious balance.
Blending artistry combines varietals, crafting cuvées of complexity and consistency. Automation ensures gentle handling, preserving the wine's hard-won maturity. As aging concludes, the wine emerges richer, ready for its final preparations. Now to the bottling hall, where precision seals in the winery's masterpiece.
Rotary fillers dose with pinpoint accuracy, filling each bottle under vacuum to banish air.
Corks are inserted and secured with foil, creating an airtight sanctuary for the wine. Custom labels adorn each bottle, telling the story of its origin and craft. The rigorous inspections guarantee only perfection advances. No compromises here.
For sparklers, riddling positions lees for removal, building tension in every twist.
Disgorging ejects sediment, and a touch of dosage balances the sparkle.
final corks and wires lock in the bubbles, ready for toasts worldwide.
A quick chill stabilizes, ensuring the wine travels in peak condition.
Now, packaging protects these treasures for their journey to your table. Each case is labeled with traceability codes, from winery to warehouse.
Automated palletizers create stable towers, optimizing space and safety. Final checks confirm integrity. Nothing leaves without approval. In the high-tech warehouse, inventory dances with digital precision. AGVs deliver to docks, where trucks wait to carry wine to distributors. From here, the wine heads to cellars and shelves, a global toast in motion. This is the full circle, from vineyard sun to your savoring sip.
And so the process renews, year after year, honoring nature's rhythm.
It starts with care in the vines, where every grape holds promise. Modern harvesters mimic nature's gentleness, powered for the planet.
En route, cooling tech keeps freshness locked in, every mile monitored. Unloading is a controlled cascade, minimizing exposure to air. AI eyes spot what humans might miss, ensuring vineyard purity indoors. Destemming separates the keepers, like sifting gold from gravel. Presses wield the nectar, maximizing juice while sparing the skin's secrets. Pipes carry the must to destiny, gravity and pumps in harmony.
Tanks welcome the must, setting the stage for microbial marvels. Fermentation's heartbeat, bubbles that birth alcohol and aroma.
Punchdowns extract the soul, color, tannin, and terroir. Real-time tweaks keep the ferment on track, like a conductor's baton. Whites ferment in tranquility, preserving floral finesse.
Rosé's fleeting blush, just enough skin time for sunset hues.
AI eyes spot what humans might miss, ensuring vineyard purity indoors. Ferment's finale. A sip confirms the yeast's victory. Centrifuges whirl away the dregs, unveiling transparency. Earth and engineering filter to flawless, like nature refined. Racking lifts the light from the heavy, a quiet elevation. Fining floats away flaws, clarifying the wine's voice. Chill shocks out instabilities for bottles that stay clear.
Science seals the clarification, ready for oak's embrace.
Barrels breathe life in, wood whispering vanilla dreams. Rotations prevent settling, keeping flavors in motion.
Moisture mimics forests, where oaks once grew tall.
Months unfold layers, fruit to earth, youth to wisdom. Tasters time the peak, when harmony sings loudest.
blends birth complexity, varietals in perfect union.
Bots handle with care, as if cradling fragile art.
Aging's end. Wine wiser. Barrels etched with memory.
Bottles born sterile, awaiting their liquid legacy. Filling from the base, no air dares intrude. Corks crown the contents, a promise unbroken. Foil dresses elegantly, shielding from light's gaze. Labels whisper the tale of vintage, vine, and vision. Eyes of light confirm flawlessness, one by one.
Riddling riddles the sparkle free, gravity's gentle guide.
Frozen necks yield secrets, disgorge to purity. Dosage dials the dance, brut to demisec.
Wires wrap the effervescence, pop deferred. Chill sets the stage for journeys cool and calm.
Filling from the base, no air dares intrude. Corks crown the contents, a promise unbroken. Wraps weave security, stacks standing tall. Invisible eyes see all, approving the armada.
Riddling riddles the sparkle free, gravity's gentle guide.
Frozen necks wield secrets, discord to purity.
Warehouse whispers, robots routing riches.
And in your hand, the process pours perfect.
The cycle spins eternal. Nature's gift, human grace.
This is winemaking today. Precision, passion, and a pour of paradise. Thank you for joining the journey.